Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Eric and today I'm currently in East Lake Tohopekaliga and also known as St. Cloud Marina or the St. Cloud Lakefront. Today for the first time I'm gonna try out my brand new Saturn BB290. Right now of course it's all packed up. I'm also gotta put a timer in there to see how long it takes me to get everything out, set the boat entirely, you know, because I got the wheels, I got the outboard and everything else. So without any further ado, let's get right to it.
From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you.
Okay, so the last part was to put the outboard in and it's ready. It is ready. And it took me about 23, just rounded up 24 minutes to put everything together. The seats, the oars, the outboard, gas tank, everything. Okay, so right now I'm dragging the boat behind me towards the marina, and it's a lot lighter because this review, I'm gonna be comparing this boat a lot with my previous one, the Saturn SD380. The SD lineup from Saturn is a little more premium, but in reality, this BB290, from the looks of it, has everything that you need. The bladders, stability. Anyway, we're gonna go in the water and test it all out. All right, here we go. Into the water you go. Whee. Okay, now that I'm inside the boat, the real estate is a lot smaller than the SD380 because again, this boat is about 9.6 feet long, but it's enough for what I need. Here's a tank right here. I had to take one of the wheels out because I installed it a little bit too close to the handle, but nonetheless, maneuverable. So, now that we're in the lake, let's get in the water. All right, we are moving along quite nicely. Sweet. All right, I just caught plane. Let's do this. Woo! Woo! Yeah. This is nice. This is very nice.
Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me.
Alrighty, well, so far it is a very stable, the little boat. As you can see from the air and from when I was on the ground, it planes nicely with a 6 horsepower outboard. And let me check the bladders. Bladders are comfortable. I mean, even though the real estate is a little smaller than the SD380, I believe I could lay down. Let me see. Yeah. I could lay down here. And so there's plenty of space on this BB290. Man, so far I'm glad I bought it. I sold the SD380. I wanted something a little lighter, and this definitely does it. I'm gonna be doing camping videos with this, going to different islands and places. I'm going to enjoy myself. Well guys, I want to thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you coming by. I hope you found this video informative. I'll try to do my best to put links below about all the stuff that's here if you want to check it out, find out about it. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video. Later.